Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix the problem of ghost touching on Samsung screen. To fix that problem, you have just to follow me step by step. Sometimes when you want to use your phone, it happens to you that your phone are touching screen intentionally and things appear to you without your permission. So to fix that problem, you have first to solve the problem outside. It means to taking off the screen protection and clean it well. And when you end with this first method, you have to fix the problem inside your phone. So to do that, you have to go to settings, as you see. Here in this page, you will scrolling down until you find this window of display on Samsung settings. Then in this page, you will find this window here. For some phones or Samsung phones, you can have a button that's called accidental touch protection. So you can click on it to avoid this accidental touching protection. And also you will have this window of touch sensitivity. As you see here, increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. You will click here on it to enable this option, as you see. So for the last method or the last option, you have to click on your phone here when you have to restart your phone, and you click on restart to restart your phone, and this restart helps to fix bugs and glitch on your phone. So that's how you can fix the problem of ghost touching on Samsung screen. So if this video helped you and you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.